I hope you're all safe. Today we are learning to the subject English. Title of the lesson Our Nation. Now we enter the lesson. Students, this lesson is in the form of conversation between Anand and Yalini and their father. Anand and Yalini returned home from school. After that, both of them washed their hands and face and sat with Dad. Their dad was watching the news on TV. They ate chickpea sundal and watched ceremony. Students, see this picture. This is a place of Amar Jawan Jyoti. There is a helmet on top of a gun and everyone paid respect. When they see it, Anandan asked, "What are they doing here?" This is Amar Jawan Jyoti, a memorial for the soldier who died for our country. Every year, 7th December is observed as Armed Forces Flag Day. On that day, we remember the sacrifice of our soldiers for guarding our nation. It is a great honor to serve the nation by joining the army. After hearing this is valuable information, Yalini proudly says from her father, "When I grow up, I will join the army and serve the country." Anandan said, "I will become a doctor and treat the people." Yalini asked, "Why don't you want to join the army like me?" Their father intervened and said that joining the army is not the only way to serve the country. Everyone in the country can have a own way of serving our country. Yalini asked, "Really, Dad, how can we serve the nation?" "Mercifully serve in the military, but not everyone gets that opportunity. We also have a role to play in serving our nation. By doing that service, we are also serving our country." Now their dad is telling a story of Carmichael. Students, see the picture. He is a Carmichael. He was a doctor and he served the people. He was young and talented. Their parents were very proud to think that he had studied in the USA. There itself, he would live and continue his practice. But he came back to India and surprised everyone by giving caseless treatment to poor people. Yalini asked, "Were his parents not angry with him?" Dad said, "They were angry, but they know he was happy." One day, dengue fever came to people in the nearby villages. He went to those villages to treat the affected people. He saved a lot of people. Everyone in the village started to know him, and then everyone went to him for treatment. One day he fell ill and took him to the city hospital. He was in the critical condition. His parents were about it worried. He told his parents that had done his duty to the country, and was happy. In couple of days he died. In his memory, the people of the village have built a hospital and treated people at free of cost. Yalini said that, "Really great, Dad, and he is a real hero." Father replied, "Everyone must love and respect our country. We must treat those around us with love and respect. That's the real service to the nation." Okay, students, next we know about compound words. Compound words are formed when two or more words are joined together to create a new word. that has an entirely new meaning. For example, sunset, sky blue, watchman, bulldog. If it is a compound word, divide after the first word. Here, the word bulldog is a compound word. So, we divide after the first word bull. Next word dog. Next peacock. If it is a long vowel team, divide after the vowel team. A E O E I E. Here the word peacock has a long vowel team E. So we divide after the vowel team as P. First word P, second word cock. Okay students, next we know about preposition. Prepositions are words that helps us know the position of things. At, on, in. I say some examples. The cat is in the box. The cat is on the box. Next, at. I get up at 7 o'clock. The stars shine at night. Jan went home at lunchtime. Okay, students. Then we move on. The title of the story is The Legend of Jaswantkar. In page number 140. Jaswant Singh Rawat was an Indian soldier. The place of Jaswantkar is in Arunachal Pradesh, gets its name from him. The legendary story, The Battle of Narongang. In 1962, there was a war between India and China. At the end of the war, the Chinese army against Narongang was the last stand of the Indian army. The battle started on 17th November 1962 and continued for 72 hours. At 5 o'clock in the morning, the Chinese army attacks the lonely Indian post in Narong. Knowing that the Chinese army was strong, the Indian army was ready to retreat, but he did not leave the war and decided to continue the fight. Two village girls named Seela and Noora helped Jaswant. They set up weapons at separate points. He tells the woman how to use the fire guns. The three of them put the gun against the China army in the right place. He was running to different gun points and kept shooting. His aim was to make the Chinese army think that the Indian army has a large number of soldiers. Jaswant and the girls had killed 300 Chinese soldiers. The Chinese army decided to cut the food supply to the post. The Chinese soldiers caught the man carrying food for them. He told the truth to the Chinese army that there is only one soldier and two girls had fooled the Chinese. They were shocked and furious. They surrounded Jaswant Singh and launched a final attack. Jaswant shot himself as Chinese were going to capture him. A great blast killed Seela Noora, the tribal girl, was captured alive. After the war, the commander of the Chinese army returned the brass bust of Jaswant. A war memorial with a brass bust was made to remember him and his service to the nation. All army personnel who passed through this memorial pay their respect to him. The Indian Army still treats him as a serving officer and awards him promotions. India awarded him the Mahavir Chakra. Jaswant may have died in battle that day, but he still lives in the memory of people in Jaswantkar and the Indian Army. Okay, students, thank you.